Hi everyone, it's Liz with Industrial Power and welcome to another Shop Talk video. Today we're going to be talking about general scope of services. As some of you may know, we're a full overhaul and rebuilt facility for both Cummins and Allison. We can work on any of your warranty and our warranty items. If you need any mobile services, we currently have 7 mobile trucks in operations. For any body shop needs, please let us know. We currently have no lead time and we have a body shop in our Fort Worth location with 17 bays and a 50-foot paint booth. If you need any estimates, please let us know and we can have our estimator go out and complete those estimates same day or the next day. If you need to utilize co-ops or BuyBoard, we're on both of those. And then if you need to use any contracts, we have many contracts that you can piggyback on. Just give us a call and we'll make sure we go out there and complete any services that you need. Again, my name is Liz Salinas. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you so much for all the business you have been sending us. Thank you and have a great day.